In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give someone co-owner role on Discord. Before we start, a quick note, you'll need to be the server owner or have permission to manage roles and members. I'm showing this on the desktop app, but it works the same in a browser. First, open Discord and go to the server where you want to set this up. Click the server name at the top left to open the menu, then choose server settings. This is where you control everything about your server, including roles and permissions. Inside server settings, head to the roles section. Roles define what people can do on your server, and you can create one that acts like a co-owner. Click Create Role. Give the role a clear, recognizable name. Something like co-owner works great so everyone understands what it means at a glance. You can also pick a role color. The color is just visual flair, but it helps identify the role in chat and in the member list. Next, move over to the Permissions tab for this new role. Here's where you'll grant the power that a co-owner needs. Toggle on all permissions. This includes critical permissions like manage server, manage roles, manage channels, and administrator. Administrator essentially grants full control across the server, so only give this to someone you absolutely trust. If you want true co-owner functionality, enabling all permissions is the simplest way to mirror what an owner can do, minus ownership transfer. When you're done, click Save Changes so everything sticks. It's easy to forget this step, and then nothing actually updates, so make sure you see the confirmation that your changes were saved. Now, go back to your server and open the member list on the right side. Find the person you want to promote and click their profile panel. In their user panel, choose Add Role. You'll see a list of roles available on your server. Click the role you just created and it will be assigned to them immediately. That's it. Your chosen member now has co-owner level permissions. If they don't seem to have access right away, give Discord a moment to sync or have them reopen the app. Also, remember, this doesn't transfer actual server ownership. It gives practical control through permissions. If you ever need to dial back access, come back to the roles permissions and switch off what you no longer want them to use, then save your changes. Thanks for watching, and use these permissions thoughtfully to keep your community safe and well managed.